Today I'm visiting the Williamson Sangma Museum, located inside the State Central Library at IGP Shillong. It is also known as Meghalaya State Museum. As I walk in, it feels like stepping into history. I'm welcomed by mannequins dressed in traditional Khasi, Jaintia and Garo attire, each outfit representing our identity. There's cotton, leaves, handcrafted baskets, a mother and a child mannequin, a lady with a very beautiful smile, and a detailed map of Meghalaya with all the districts marked. I notice colorful butterflies, miniature life scenes, and some of the famous local baskets of our state. And then comes relics from the past. Old cannons, shields and swords once used long ago. Miniatures of traditional dances follow, capturing the rhythm and spirit of Meghalaya. A beautifully crafted rural home scene appears, simple, warm and familiar. Some more traditional garments and dresses on display, and I continue walking through the museum. Scenes of rice beer being prepared, paddy fields with people harvesting, and a detailed Garo village setup. Truly beautiful. We can see some utensils and clay potteries, everyday objects with timeless value. And I enter a room filled with paintings. Local landscapes, historic moments, and yes, freedom fighters. Traditional ornaments and musical instruments follow. Drums and sounds deeply rooted in our culture. In the next section, I see tools used for weaving, along with a digital screen that helps visitors learn more about each of them. Framed traditional garments show the detailed process behind how they are made. And one passage is filled with drawings and artworks. Creative, expressive, and truly beautiful. Large wall displays honor three famous freedom fighters of Meghalaya, and we all know who they are. And there's also a very small and cozy play area for the kids. Another room features wall-sized screens showing village life, daily activities, and some traditional practices. Musical instruments hang along the walls, each carrying its own story. And one of the most meaningful sections, the memory crate, a time capsule locked on the 21st of January 2022 to be opened on 21st of January 2072. Nearby, a wall displays the names of those who bravely fought for the creation of our state. Old Khasi and English newspapers are displayed, preserving voices from the past. I stepped into a room designed like a traditional Meghalayan living room, nostalgic, warm, and full of life. A section showcasing old and new stamps follows. Then come rare historical pieces. A surveyor's chain, a large compass, a mammoth tusk map, and a spyglass telescope. Things I've never seen before. Now in the art and craft village section, detailed artworks display everyday Meghalayan life, from clay pots to kettles and betel nuts, also known as kwai. Now next are the rock collections. Different shapes, Different sizes, different names, each carefully labeled and, as you can see, also numbered. And finally, the massive wooden towers used during the Dengklam festival. Tall, colorful, and impressive. After this journey through culture and history, I end my visit here, taking a moment to rest, reflect, and appreciate Meghalaya's rich heritage.